In this video, I'll show you how to use voice commands on your PS5 Pro. Now, first things first, you have to enable the voice command feature from the settings. So on the home page, simply navigate to the settings wheel icon at the top right corner, select that, and then scroll down and choose voice command in brackets preview, and then you should enable it from here. So select enable voice command, and then you should see a preview of what voice command is all about. So you can read through all that, and then once you're satisfied, click on, or rather select enable. Now once you enable, you should see the voice commands that you can use during your PlayStation things. So you can select open and select a specific arm. You can select search and find the game name, or you can use it for media controls. So select got it, and then from here you can choose to enable the listen for hey PlayStation. So whenever you say hey PlayStation, the voice command should be automatically pop up. And also you can customize
I can't do that yet. For a list of suggestions, say help.
So other customizations include the speech speed, if you want to customize the speech speed, the speech volume, response time, and also if you want to participate in the feedback program. So let me just enable this. And then once you're at home, you can say, hey PlayStation, open Grand Theft Auto 5. Hey PlayStation, open Forza Horizon 5.
Okay.
And you can see it's working. So you can do the same for all the other options that you prefer. Now, in case, for instance, you have disabled hey PlayStation, so let me just disable it.
I can't do that yet. For a list of suggestions, say help.
So let's say, for instance, you have disabled it. Another way you can bring up the voice command is by using the voice option in the control center. So bring up the control center by pressing the PS5 button. Let me just skip this tour. And then from here, you should find the voice command from here. Now, in case it's not here, simply select customize and then find the voice command icon, which is this one. Select it and then move it to the control center. Now, once you're done, you can now navigate to that voice command icon, select it, and then now you can give it some specific commands to run on your PlayStation 5. So that's basically it on how to use a voice command on PS5 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.